Glory be to you. We have knowledge except what you have taught us. Verily it is you the all-knower, the all-wise. ch 2:32 分. Allah Almighty then turned to Adam. O Adam, inform them of their names. And when he had informed them of their names, he said, Did I not tell you that I know the unseen in the heavens and the earth? And I know what you reveal and what you have been hiding. ch 2:33 分. Allah wanted the angels to know that he knew of their astonishment when he had told them about the creation of Adam, and that he also knew of their confusion which they had not revealed